If coming up with strong passwords and remembering them all is a chore, a password manager like LastPass might be the answer. LastPass is a secure online locker which holds all your passwords. You can even use it to generate complicated passwords for you. Everything is protected by a single master password, so you want to ensure that that password is particularly strong, which means long, complex and difficult to guess. The best passwords are at least 12 characters long and contain a mix of upper and lowercase letters along with numbers and symbols. They should look like gibberish to anyone else but be easy for you to remember. You can install LastPass as a desktop application on your computer, but you can also run it as a plugin on your web browser. Because LastPass stores your passwords online, you can install it on several computers and always have your passwords at your fingertips. Let's open up the Chrome Web Store, search for the LastPass plugin and install it. Once it's installed, you'll see this LastPass icon at the top right of the browser. It turns red when you're logged into your LastPass account. Let's click Create an Account and get started. We'll need to enter our email address and come up with a master password. If you're worried you might forget it, you can type yourself a reminder here. But don't make it so obvious that it gives it away. We'll accept the terms and conditions and then click Create Account. As you can see, it's absolutely crucial to ensure that you remember your LastPass password. Without this, there is no way to get in. At this point, we need to re-enter our password before we can continue. Along with saving your passwords, LastPass can also help you automatically fill out forms online. We'll say yes and click Continue. Here you can fill in a few details about yourself so LastPass can automatically enter those details into forms. We'll skip this for now and click Continue to keep setting up LastPass. When you first log in, you're presented with some video tutorials to get you started, but let's skip that and get on with the basics. We'll open a new tab and we'll go to Dropbox and then sign in as usual. At this point, LastPass kicks in and asks if we want to save the password for this site. We'll click Save Site. Don't get confused with Google Chrome up here, which is also asking us if we want to save our passwords. Let's click Save Site for LastPass. Here we can add a few extra details and decide whether we want to disable the autofill or even automatically log in, so as soon as we go to Dropbox.com it puts in our details and takes us to our Dropbox. Let's leave these details as they are and hit Save. To check if everything's worked properly, we can log out of our Dropbox account, close the tab and go back to Dropbox again. We'll click Sign In and LastPass has already entered our login and password for us. If you're happy for LastPass to remember all your passwords, then we don't need Google Chrome to keep asking to remember our passwords. So we'll go into the settings, click Advanced, and tell Chrome that we don't want it to autofill forms or remember passwords for us. We can also use LastPass to generate secure new passwords for us when we sign up for a new account. Let's use If This Then That as an example. We'll click on Join and then put in our username and email address. When it comes time to enter a password, we can click on the icon here to bring down a drop-down menu to help us generate a new password. We can change the password length and change other characteristics until we get the password that we want. When we're happy with it, we'll click Use Password and click Create Account. Should LastPass remember this password? Yes. Save Site. And here we can fill out details such as auto login and save. We didn't even see all the details of that password, but that's okay because LastPass is going to remember it for us. we can go back here, have a look at our vault, and see our list of passwords that we've saved and edit them if we need to. This way we can use strong passwords and a different password for every website without having to remember them all. All you need to do is remember your one strong LastPass master password, and LastPass will remember everything else for you.